Okay, so ilan mo, isa sa mga job namin is also, other than red carpets, is ribbon cuttings of big venues, especially sa Dolby Atmos Theater.
Okay.
You know, when I was assigned to do that, it was a big launch. Now, isa sa mga guest of honor is none other than Madame Grace Po.
Okay.
How do you say her last name? Is it Liamanzares? Liamanares?
Oh, Limanzares.
Limanzares. So, the red carpet was there. Everybody was there. She was entering. I welcomed Ben Cab, and then I welcomed her. I mispronounced her last name.
At ano ang nasabi mong pronunciation?
Liamanzares, I think. Basta I mispronounced it, and the whole room became quiet. Quiet lahat. As in, and I was just like, nasabi niya naman, huwag kang mag-alala, iho, hindi lang ikaw, kaya Grace po na lang po. Tapos she waved her hand and everybody cracked a smile.
She's very gracious.
Yes.
Kasi Grace ang pangalan niya.
Yeah.
Buti nilang, alam mo, ang babait ng mga natapat sa'yo, ha?
Yes,
Kung kailan ka nagkakamali. Kasi some can get it really harsh, ha?
Oh man, I swear. And that was an awkward moment, but it happens. And the great part is, you know, you'll be able to bounce back. As you said earlier, Robert Downey. Hey.
Robert Downey lang yan, tama. Okay, Sam, it's your turn again.
Okay.
Thank you, Rico. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, Sam, randomizer, go!
Okay.
Uy, sino yan?
Sino to?
Pagseselosan
Alam
na
niyo
yan.
na pag ganyan, kung saan ko nakita to.
Hollywood Socialite.
Socialite Kabugera sa dance floor.
Okay, I was attending another event. This was in LA, no?
Masyado naman social ang mga event mo, Brad. Palagi na
Kaya
lang.
nga exciting yung mga stories niya eh. Okay.
Eto na. Pero disclaimer, no, bago kay kwento, single pa ako nito.
Single
Okay,
ba
sige.
yan?
Single pa ako nito.
Esa ha? Esa. Single pa siya na.
Enjoying my life.
Huwag na natin halongkatin to. Wow.
So, it was para masquerade party, no? So, mask, ganyan. So, ako rin, naka-mask, di ba? Tapos, kasama ko yung, I was with another of my radio partner, no? Tony.
Okay.
Tapos sabi niya, Sam, may blonde na girl, sayawin mo. Ako naman, matapang ako, syempre, yung Indian blood ko, lumabas.
Samoy G ka eh.
Oo ba, hindi. Naka-side view siya. E di sinayaw ko. Ikaw, okay, ganyan.
Ganyan?
What's
Ganyan
your
ba,
name?
Sam?
Oo, ganyan na ganyan.
Very 1995, Brad.
Okay. Tapos, itong si Hollywood Socialite.
Hey, where are you from? Sabi, I'm from Hollywood. How about you? Sabi ko, I'm from Manila, you know, but I'm pure Indian, no? Sabi ko, you can even check if you want. Sabi, ito na. Patapos na yung gabi, so we were dancing, no? After like 30 minutes, sabi ko, I have to go because I'll join my friend, no, somewhere else. Sabi ko, okay, it was nice meeting you. So tanggal ako mask. Tanggal din siya mask.
Sino pala?
Wala nyo.
Paris Hilton.
Boom.
Ang tindi mo, Brad. Kinuha mo number.
Sa asawa ko, yun nga ang hindi ko nakuha. Sa asawa ko,
Grabe.
dati pa yun. Single pa ako nun.
Dati pa yun.
Saan na nangyari after nun?
Well, nag-selfie na lang kami na nandun pa yung selfie sa...
Pero nagulat ka ba na parang, oh my goodness.
Siyempre,
Or
siyempre
ano, relax ka lang na parang,
Hindi, nagulat ako sa loob, pero siyempre kailangan relax ka.
Chill
Sa mga
lang.
ganyan, parang, okay, Paris Hilton ka, okay lang.
ngayon?
Indian naman ako eh. So relax lang, chill.
Saya.
Okay.